All right, so hello, let's jump into our next video for the lab simulation series on Microsoft Security Administration MS-500. So this is going to be our fifth lab simulation exercise, and let's see what we're going to do in this particular exercise. Now, the objective here is that you need to ensure that all the links to malware.contoso.com within documents stored in Microsoft Office 365 are blocked when the documents are accessed from Office 365 enterprise applications. Okay, now the first thing is to understand the question and getting an understanding of what exactly we need to do. So if you try and understand the objective, you basically have to go to Microsoft Defender, go to Safe Links settings, and you have to enter the URL and block the following URL sections, which is available under global settings of the Safe Links. Okay, so let's just try and understand deeply a little bit about Safe Links policy. Now, Safe Link policy basically checks for the URL before opening the page. Hence, as a user, when you will click on that link and you are trying to open up that link in your web browser, you're basically gonna see. I'll show you what you will see. This is the page you're gonna see. So the page will say this website have been blocked by your organization policy. This is what we have to configure. Another point that is important to understand is that there is no Safe Link default policy in Defender for Office 365. So that means that you have to create one. Another important aspect that we need to understand about this lab simulation series is that the protection for URL in Office 365 is available under the global settings, and it applies to all the users covered by the Safe Link policy. The only thing you have to ensure is that the button is switched to on. We will see it once we get into our online portal and do the lab exercise. Thank you. Okay, so let's see how we can add malware.contoso.com into the block the following URL section. So I'm starting with the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. I'm logged in as a global administrator. So on the left hand side down here, you see the Security Admin Center. So we just click the Security Admin Center. This basically takes us to Microsoft 365 Defender Admin Center. Under the Microsoft 365 Defender Admin Center, let's go to Policies and Rules, and then click on Threat Policies, and then open Safe Links down here. Now, under Safe Links, this is if you click Create here, you'll basically be creating a Safe Links policy. But this is not what we are going to do in this one lab simulation exercise. We need to go to Global Settings here. So, clicking on Global Settings will open up a section where we will be able to enter malware.contoso.com as a blocked URL for our Office 365 environment. So this is here. So you can see that if we read here, these URLs will be blocked in email messages and in Office 365 apps. So what we need to do is just to enter http www.malware.contoso. This is the URL basically what we are blocking. And we have to, as I was telling you in the last slide in the PowerPoint presentation, that we will have to use the Safe Link in Office 365 app policy on, and now we save it. So by adding malware.contoso.com to block the URL dialog box, we have basically achieved our objective. So in order to see the end user experience, because we have blocked a particular URL, I'm just logged into Office 365 portal as a standard user, and let's just open Outlook here. So what I've done is, as a global administrator, I've sent in an email into this account, and this account has got this particular link. And because we have configured malware.contoso.com in a blocked URL list, let's see what happens. So if I click that link, this is what I get. So that is what a safe link policy can achieve for you in Office 365 Defender. Thank you.